my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 4. Being kind and loving. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. जो दूध वाला था उसकी गाय का आज मुंह खराब था. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. वो जो है सड़क के बीचों बीच बैठ गई और वहां से नहीं हिली. The milkman begged mother cow, please get up. वो जो दूध वाला था उसने बड़ा उसके आगे हाथ जोड़े कि प्लीज यहाँ से उठ जाओ. द चिल्ड्रन आर वेटिंग फॉर देयर मिल्क टू हैव देम ब्रो सॉन्ग. बच्चे जो है तुम्हारे दूध का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, है ना, क्योंकि तुम्हारा दूध उन्हें स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. द स्वीट मेकर इज वेटिंग टू मेक डिलीशियस स्वीट मीट्स. जो मिठाई वाला है वो तुम्हारे दूध का इंतजार कर रहा है क्योंकि इसको मिठाइयाँ बनानी है. द फार्मर्स आर वेटिंग फॉर देयर बटर मिल्क. किसान जो है तुम्हारे मक्खन वाले दूध का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. सो प्लीज गेट अप, प्लीज उठ जाओ. Then the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow was not going anything that day. ठीक है, उस दूधिया ने जो है बहुत उसके आगे हाथ जोड़े, उसको हिलाना चाहा, उठाना चाहा, लेकिन वो नहीं उठी. Along came a policeman with buttons and buckle gleaming bright, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. तभी वहां से एक व्यक्ति गुजरा जो है उसके पास आलू और कुछ मटर थी. उसने कहा मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करता हूँ हटाने के लिए. So the grocer, the policeman and the milkman, तीनों मिलकर grocer, policeman और milkman pulled, tugged and prayed, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. है ना, उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की, उसको हटाया, लालच दिया, लेकिन वो वहां से नहीं. Along came a wrestler, muscle gaining, gleaming in the sun. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fine. So the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. इस बार चारों लग गए. रेसलर था, ग्रोसर था, मिल्कमैन और पुलिसमैन. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came an engineer with his fancy degree. He scratched his head and said, the law of inertia is working here, I see. तो इंजीनियर आया, उसके पास फैंसी डिग्री थी, उसने जो है उसके सिर को थोड़ा सा स्क्रैच किया. उसने कहा देखना अब ये वर्क करेगा. So the engineer, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and trailed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came the ice cream man jingling his car. Cool down, it can't be too hard. So the ice cream man, engineer, wrestler, grocer, policeman and milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a cobbler with his leather and all. 1 cow, 7 men, this shouldn't be hard at all. So the cobbler, ice cream man, engineer, wrestler, grocer, policeman and milkman कोशिश कर रहे थे, लेकिन तब भी वो वहां से नहीं हिली. बट द काउ वॉज नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर. Along came a painter, his clothes flattered with orange, pink and blue. He said, white or grey doesn't look good. The cow just said, moon. है ना. तो so the painter, the cobbler, the ice cream man, the engineer, wrestler, grocer, policeman, milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that. Along came the peanut mender, the cobbler, the ice cream man, the engineer, wrestler, grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. Along came a little boy and he began to grin. तब एक छोटा लड़का आया, उसने कहा, all these grown-ups look at the mess they are in it. It is not such a difficult problem. I learned in the 2nd class that human beings eat rice and wheat and milkmen's cows eat grass. He held out a sheep, tasty green grass, and the cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side. We knew just what to do. है ना, जो है उसने कहा कि ह्यूमन बींग चावल और गेहूं खाते हैं और जो मिल्कमैन जो है उसकी गाय क्या खाती थी, घास. तो वो कुछ घास के पत्तियां लाया, उसके आगे डाल दी और वो उनको चबाने लगी. He knew just what to do. वो जानता था उसे क्या करना है. The peanut vendor cheered, the grocer clapped, and the policeman twirled his stick in joy. Okay, so the wrestler grinned, the engineer nodded, and the ice cream man whooped at the cleverness of the boy. है ना, उस लड़के ने बड़ी चालाकी से उसको वहां से हटाया. The painter laughed, the cobbler beamed, and the milkman clattered his pain. Being kind and loving is the best remedy for solutions usually fail. कई बार आपका जो है काइंड होना, दयालु होना, है ना, और प्यार से उस काम को करना बहुत सक्सेस होता है, इवन अगर आप किसी काम को स्ट्रांगली और हार्शली करो. तो गाय जो है उनका खींचना, उसकी पूंछे खींचना, उसे धक्का देना नहीं वो कर पा रही थी. उसने प्यार से उस बच्चे के कहने पे वो वहां से हट गई. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understood full chapter. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.